we are slowly but surely making it.
Alright.
Yes, he pointed left. He pointed left. I said,
I was like, he's like, to the right? I made you guys. You're like, no!
Anyways, so
right
we're
here.
gonna get there. Okay, so we are here now. Kind of. We still have to walk about a mile to the beach because it's Memorial Weekend and we decided to come on a bad weekend. That's about that. So, these two.
I was like, wait, what? I don't want my face in this right now. Mad. Take a look at me.
Oh, we had cupcakes!
Oh my.
Well, we have finally made it to the beach. Thank God. But now we are going to go to the bathroom. Bathroom things. And hey, don't walk in the sand with flip-flops because it's just not smart. And it goes in your pants and knees. So, yeah. Please, one bed. I'm sitting in it. Please. It's actually really dark, but it doesn't show how dark it is. But I feel like I'm gonna die very soon. I'm really scared, but I'll try to look. If I don't come down alive, we've been in the water so far. Yessa is about to eat her sad sandwich. Yucky sandwich. And we're just gonna chill the rest of the day until we go walk to the shops that I still want to go to. But,
eat bombastic burgers.
yes.
I'm probably from the sandwich store.
If you start thinking about it,
Made sandwiches for no reason. I'll split it with you. Not that one. Wait, what did you have the other one?
No, that one's peanut butter and jelly. They're both peanut butter and jelly.
Okay, then I'll have the nice piece. Now we're headed over to the shops. She's sunburnt. And
I'm only here for security. Get that camera out of my face.
yeah, nothing else is really happening. Kind of a chill day. And yeah, now there's a bunch of people staring at me because I'm filming myself. So I'm gonna stop here. Now we are shopping. Damn, I look bust. Anyways, he's stuck along with us.
Help me.
And just shopping. Just picked my nose on camera. But yes, you do. So, yeah, we're just gonna chill. It's a pretty nice day outside. Hello there. Nice necklace, I think. I don't know. Talking to mannequins over here.
I saw that.
I do. It is cute. $32 cute. Is it really that much? Damn. I like it. I like it.
These are cute.
It is. So is it cute? Okay, well the store. It's too damn expensive.
Nobody cares.
I guess the dream is coming true. Bomb burger!
Where are we going out of here?
This is awkward.
This is a fail.
This is a fail. Okay, let's awkwardly leave now because Ayesa doesn't want. Going into the chocolate factory. Puta! It's awkward. So awkward. That strawberry. That one.
$3 is better than
Huge. Oreo Pops. What is that one? Oh! Is that caramel? Oreo dipped in caramel and chocolate. That sounds great. Grand. He's just jealous because he wants to I gotta cry about it. Okay, let's look at that car. Dear Lord. Oh, healthy juice place. There's like a worker standing right behind me, so just standing. How do I get this? It's the one that sounds the best. Peppers and the other ones.
I hear the Carters are minimum. Excuse me, can I try the banana chocolate chip?
All these flavors. How is it? It's like right up your nose.
It could be better.
Damn. That's harsh. Okay. Today, I think I'm gonna
I just rub my belly all
either
over
get
it.
the. I think that one or that one. I think maybe the chocolate one.
You're not gonna get the Nutella.
No.
Let me know.
Oh, the dulce, sorry. Whatever, however you say it. That one.
Oh, can I try the heat?
Oh, I guess. Can I try the sea salt and caramel one? This is how you pick up a spoon. Thank you.
It just slipped off.
Whoa!
Now I'm just
There it
done.
is. The masterpiece.
Strawberries and cream.
Okay. What were the flavors that we got? Heath bar and sea salt caramel. So it's gonna be delicious. Yes. Yes. Oh God, this is very close. So they're trying to start the fire, and why does it keep doing? It's like a bunch of people looking at me, but you know what? I don't care. And these fools start a fire. What's up?
Hate the world.
Can you say you just proud?
Exactly.
S'mores. Like,
Everyone says he was at
Fat marshmallow.
gross. Ew.
my black shtick. This is how you make
Shtick.
it professionally.
Tell us seductively.
So, someone had the smart idea of eating
Yeah.
s'mores. Before we have,
Seductively eat this.
Professional.
before we have dinner, so what's that?
No, okay. You have the back one. I'm good.
You got it? You good? Okay.
Just had to hit my back. I don't know. Something just hit me.
Well, we're stopped and this is happening. What is their reaction? I want to just
Oh, that's funny.
burping.
That.
So, we just ended the day here at In-N-Out.
And you were the vlogger again.
And I hated it. Didn't like it very much. It's my first time eating In-N-Out. I didn't like it. It's not very satisfying. I don't know what the big hype is. Sorry, not sorry.
This is the last vlog you'll ever see me in.
You know what you want. you know what you won't regret trying. The quesadilla taco
Yeah, I do want to try that.
is delicious.
But anyways,
Orgasm in my mouth.
ending this vlog here. And if you
Put that in your vlog. Put that in your vlog.
don't put that in my vlog.